Oh my goodness, y'all. It is so freaking hot when I tell you it is burning the heck up. It is so hot. It is beautiful outside, but it is hot, baby. So, hey, y'all. Just hopping on real quick as I get ready to get out and about in these streets before it get too hot. I am your girl Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Thank you so much for taking a moment to click on in and check in with your girl. I am just wanting to come on and tell everybody I hope you have a amazing Memorial Day weekend. Oh, I'm so hot. Baby, I'm so hot. And I'm trying not to turn on this air conditioning, baby, because gas prices is all of $4.30. And so, yeah, you got to do what you got to do. But dang, I got the windows rolled down, and this hot air is not really doing the math, baby. But anywho, I am out and about getting ready to make a couple of runs to go take care of some business, pick up a few things, and, do what I do on the weekends. Oh, this thing is making it look like my breastises is all smashed up. But anywho, I want to come on and just wish everybody a wonderful, amazing Memorial Day weekend. I wanted to thank you all so much for all of the support and encouragement that you all have been showing to Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Even though I have been on YouTube for a few years, I feel like I'm just now starting to tap into, my real purpose and what my true direction is that I want to take the channel in. So I thank you guys and appreciate each and every last one of you. And I just really wanted to come on and say enjoy this holiday weekend. Take a moment of silence to really honor and appreciate those who came before us and who are no longer here with us in the land of the living. Okay, y'all, my phone is tilted on the mount, but y'all get the general gist, y'all. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I appreciate you and all. I will see you all in the next videos. I have a couple of live streams scheduled where there will be just talking points on different scenarios. I'm also going to try to set up for a trending recaps live stream because there's been a lot going on in the world, and I'm sure talking about it and allowing people the platform to kind of get things off their chest is always appreciated, but sometimes it comes with a lot of backlash as well. So I've been just trying to mentally decide whether or not I even want to fool with all that, and then also I got some reviews that I have been working on getting edited. So yeah, y'all, thank you again, and until next time, y'all stay safe, stay encouraged. I'm really getting ready to get into traffic now, as I'm just now getting to the edge of my subdivision. So y'all, I will see you in the next video. Peace.